Friends, today we will learn English of two Bengali sentences and the sentences related with this. So my papa will tell the English and I will tell the Bengali. Papa, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Papa, আমি আলু মাখাচ্ছি কি ইংরেজি হবে?
I am mashing potatoes.
ওকে, নাইস। ওকে পাপা, আচ্ছা আমি যদি বলি আমি আলু মাখা দিয়ে ভাত খাচ্ছি তাহলে ইংরেজি কি হবে?
I am eating rice with boiled potatoes.
Oh, thank you, Papa. Say goodbye to the audiences.
Tata.
Okay, so have you got this? And you have to practice at home, and you can teach your kids at home these types of practical English. If you
Papa, today
want
cool.
real development of your kids. Papa?
Today cool.
Oh, okay. Thank you.